This Southwire Romex 10-2 NMB cable is a solid choice for indoor branch circuits in homes, shops, and light commercial spaces, thanks to its dependable copper conductors and consistent build quality. The non-metallic sheathing with the Simpull style jacket makes the cable noticeably easier to pull through studs and joists, which saves time and effort during installation. It is designed for dry, above-ground locations and works well for both exposed runs in basements or utility rooms and concealed runs behind finished walls and ceilings. Electricians and experienced do-it-yourself users will appreciate that it is suitable for typical residential circuits, feeding outlets, lighting, and small fixed appliances when sized and protected correctly. The cable carries a 600-volt rating and is built to meet modern electrical code requirements, giving confidence that it can handle standard household loads safely when installed properly. The 25-foot coil length is convenient for smaller projects or repairs, reducing waste compared with buying a much larger roll.